Today I'm going to show you guys step by step how I transformed my old kitchen rental property's kitchen cabinets and just gave them a more updated and more modern feel. All for under $300. So getting a carpenter or a painter to do the job was going to be way too expensive. Researching the internet on purchasing new doors, and although they weren't too badly priced from around $40 to around $80 a door, it was still too expensive for what I needed. So my last option was going to be a paint that was going to stick to laminate in a high traffic area such as the kitchen. And the winner was going to be the Dulux Precision Range Maximum Strength Adhesion Primer. Some of the paint's main features were, it was ideal for use on laminated surfaces. It is a 3-in-1, so works as a primer, sealer and undercoat. It is for both interior and exterior use, and was promising maximum adhesion compared to other traditional oil and water-based primers. Some of the equipment needed was going to be a drill, sugar soap for cleaning your doors, sandpaper, also a special kind of roller which I will be going into with more details later, a bucket, new handles if you're changing them, and some builder's bog if you need them to fill the holes, and a table to place your doors on when painting. So instead of the old school brushes for painting, I was told to use the Unipro Little Ripper. It is 100mm in length with a 4mm nap. Most importantly, it is specifically for cabinet doors and cupboards, and for under $11 it is a must. Step 1. Number your kitchen doors and drawers. Grab yourself a label maker and print out some numbers and place those numbers on a door where it is not going to be painted on. And just continue on placing the other numbers on the rest of the doors. Step 2. Take your cabinet doors off and leave the hinges on. So what we're going to do is take these two screws out from the hinges and place the removed screws into a jar, so you can find them later. So once you've taken the screws off your hinges, just pop your doors out. And then proceed on with taking out the rest of the cabinets. As you can see, I'm changing out the door handles and putting in new ones. I've picked these up from my local hardware store, pack of 10 for under $30. Also, now's the time to use your builder's block if you need to bog any holes. Drill a new hole in line with your top hole. Then leave your door handles aside as they are not needed till the end of the installation of your doors. Step 3. Good clean and a good sand. So grab your sugar soap, grab a bucket and grab a scourer and begin cleaning. Then give your doors a good sand in order for the paint primer to stick. Step 4. Begin to prime your cabinets. So firstly, begin by putting enough paint on your roller. Begin by painting your doors in an up and down motion. The back of the label of the primer says one coat is fine. Proceed to paint the rest of your doors and then leave it all to dry. So the key ingredients for a successful paint is good clean of your doors, a proper sand, test paint in a trial area and wait 7 days for the paint to properly stick to the surface. Step 5. Begin your top coat. So the paint I was told to use was a water-based enamel perfect for your high traffic areas such as the kitchen, where it will help protect the surface from grease and household cleaning agents. Also, it air dries to a hard, usually glossy finish. So begin painting in an up and down motion. This time will be more pedantic than when we were using the primer paint before, as this is the final step before your doors become glamorous. Also, don't forget to paint your sides. So now, drying time will be about 30 minutes. But recoating will be 2 hours, and 2 coats should also be applied. So now, sit back and wait 7 days or more for the full cure. Then place your kitchen cabinet doors back in. So guys, there you have it. I like its look. It didn't break the budget. I couldn't afford to change the bench tops, and if I had, I would have made it look even better. But I achieved what I wanted to achieve and am more than happy with the outcome. And I guess this is what some of you guys out there could achieve if you have a low budget. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to watch further future videos. Peace.